Information can change quickly, and it's hard to know where to look. These resources can help you stay connected and get reliable updates when it matters most. Start with ag.coloradog.gov/emergency alert. This page connects you directly to local emergency managers across Colorado. You'll find phone numbers, email contacts, and links to official SMS alert systems. Keep in mind, alert systems can vary by county, so the sign-up process may look a little different depending on where you live. WatchDuty is a real-time wildfire tracking and alert platform. Here it is from the view of a computer browser. It utilizes a combination of official data sources and human monitoring by experienced volunteers, including active and retired firefighters, dispatchers, and first responders. There are free and optional features available. Here's how WatchDuty looks on your phone. The mobile app gives you instant alerts and a live map right in your hand. You can tap on fires to see updates, evacuation info, and nearby activity. Enable notifications to get alerts as soon as something changes. It's one of the easiest ways to stay informed while you're on the go. For travel updates, check out Kotrip. This app shows real-time road conditions, closures, and traffic cameras across Colorado. You can view live camera feeds and get updates on weather-related impacts. It's especially helpful during storms or evacuations when road conditions can change quickly. Use Kotrip to plan safer routes and avoid delays. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay safe.